I'm extremely sad. So these don't fit at all. Wait, I have to pull this out. I don't want to run like 7 degrees. I can't do it. It's too much. I guess I'm gonna have to run some 38s. When I go FD2 front, it'll give me a +20, so that'll be straight. The fronts, it's just the rear, bro. Like, it's just, I'm so sad. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're finally going to be mounting on the 57 DRs that I bought. Now, these DRs are the 17x9 plus 22s. I ordered a set of 17x9 plus 38s, and that's what we're going to be running. If you look back there, all the wheels are in the back. So today, we're gonna put them all on, add the camber bolts, and everything. But before I start the process of putting on the wheels and everything, I have to go by Advanced Auto Parts, pick up brake pads, and also pick up a tensioner pulley for the 8th gen because it's making noise. And nah, son, I already replaced my tensioner pulley last night, well, yesterday, and now today I gotta replace the other one because I ended up replacing the wrong one. Thought I heard the noise from that pulley. Big misunderstanding. So now I gotta go to buy Advanced Auto, put gas in this thing, because this thing is on E. It has 2 bars left. Cars just take my money, dog. Like, man. Ridiculous. Ridiculous! So, never mind that. What I'm gonna do right now, actually, is just, put the wheels on. So, it didn't make the noise when I moved the car in front of the garage. I don't know. I don't know. But I'd rather get the wheels on now so I can do the camber, the dialing, and all that stuff. So let's unload them and then load them up on the car, and then we're going to SEMA. Bro, I've been a YouTuber. Hold on, let me tell y'all something. I've been a YouTuber, an automotive YouTuber, for a long time. I'm one of the biggest single Honda YouTube channels. One of, not, you know what I mean? Like strictly Honda content, solo vlogger. I'm one of the biggest. And it sucks, cause like how you have so many numbers, but you can't even get like a car. And I've yet to go to SEMA. Young Apollo with the win. As the SPC arm install goes, it's pretty simple. I did it on the other side, so I'll just show you guys how to do it. So basically, you take out your top factory bolt like that, and then you just replace it with whatever you get. These ones actually don't fit. You need 81260, not 81270. So I went out and bought some 81260s. So basically, you want this facing the engine, and then you want this arrow right here facing this way. There's an arrow on the SPC arm. I don't know if you can see it. It's an arrow. Focus. See that little arrow? That's supposed to point towards the wheel, so you have the maximum camber desired. So I gotta rotate this bolt head over here, keep this arrow pointing towards the engine, and then we have maximize our camber. Because I'm planning on around like -3 degrees up front, -2.5, maybe 3 degrees up front, and maybe 3.5 or 4 degrees in the back, and it should be solid. So yeah, and then from there, you're good. Your camber, take it to the alignment shop. Get it properly aligned so you can match camber everywhere, and yeah, it should be solid. Since it's super easy to lower the front end on this car in RSX, they're pretty simple. I'll just spin the shock up or down. Pretty solid. So this is how we looking right now. Not too bad. 1.5 finger gap, perfect enough for me. I don't want to go too crazy with it. Y'all know me, I'd dump this thing if I could, but then that requires the fender liner got to be removed, and I'll do all that once I go FD2 front end. But for now, that's gonna be how the front looks. Yeah, 1.5 on both. Now we got the fronts on, cambered in, should be good enough before Randy can mess with it, but I think that's perfect. Like, that's probably like a -1 degree, maybe 2 degrees of camber. That's perfect. Now, the back. Oh, Lord. So it's been about maybe 2.5, 3 hours since the last clip, and I've been fighting my rear suspension on the driver's side. I cannot get it to go lower. My other side is low enough to where like it looks really good. Like that's perfect ride height in the back on the passenger side. On the driver's side, however, it's not icy. So dude, I even cut a spring. Like I cut a collar off, like a one spring off, to just, I was like, you know what, screw it, bro. Like I'm just I'm so over this damn 8th gen rear suspension bullshit, bro. I miss the RSX. So easier to lower the RSX than this crap. So stupid. Motor rear link suspension. This shit is trash. Alright, got all the wheels on. It looks like I'm rocking freaking Steelies. But nah, son, they're DRs. I do have the stickers that I don't think I'm gonna put the stickers on. I like the way this looks. This looks like classic race car stuff. Simple and clean, that's all. This side's done. Boop, boop. Bam. Yeah, so now I'm gonna head over to Randy's job. I need to clean this car. Ugh. This car is filthy. All right, so first drive with the new wheels and suspension, I guess, set up. Drives smooth. It drives really damn smooth, even with a cut spring in the back. One cut spring, and the car drives damn smooth. I'm gonna go to Randy's job right now to drop off some parts, and then from there, I will go take beauty shots, product shots of this car. It looks pretty damn good, man. It looks really good. I just gotta get the back suspension dialed in the best I can, because this is not it, brother. Oh shit, look at that. This camera's so good. Look at that, rocket ship game. Had to come steal some content. You know the vibes. Mario, just send it. Renardo, what's going on? You got the gearbox. I'm proud of you, dog.
This shit probably fucked up. It's making, I don't know. I don't like how it sounds.
What do you mean you don't like how it sounds?
You started it already? Nah, but I'm gonna spin the fucking hub and you gonna hear it. I don't like how it sounds.
You better hope the damn diff ain't bad.
I'm hoping not.
Oh, y'all rich, bro. Mario got Laramie's just chilling outside. I'm pretty sure your neighbor think you sell dope, bro.
100%.
100%, bro. Move in the neighborhood and now you got Laramie's on top of Laramie's, bro.
Actually, he was already living there before everybody else moved in. So technically, they... You know what?
Wait, all these people just moved in?
Like, when he moved
those
in, there was
4
no
houses
houses
are
down
new.
here.
That's new. That shit was all land.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, parking spaces for
Damn.
I
You
used to park my trailer like...
long ways?
Yeah, bro. I was happy, bro. And then all these...
Damn. Oh, lordy lord. That boy got gearbox part. Let me get something, bro.
What you want?
I need you something for free.
Oh, I ain't got that.
I got $7 cash. What can I get with $7? Oh, I need gas. Damn, I'll get my money back. I need gas, bro. My shit on E, dog. Oh, I got a Japanese button. What a beast. Oh, that's fresh. And you still kept AC too?
Not right now. I gotta get new lines.
Oh, that's fresh, though. That's nice.
Put the hubs on.
It sounds good as hell.
This shit does not feel good shit. Like, you can't even see no air coming out of this shit.
So that is the end for this video. Finally an outro where I'm sitting in my room, chilling, you know what I mean, relaxing, all cool. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like on the video. The car is coming along great. I love the fitment of Akira. I'm still gonna, when I go after this outro part, I'm gonna go out there and lower the passenger side a little bit more to match the driver's side, and I should be solid. Not gonna go lower than that. That should be good until I get my lip kit and all, you know, FD2 front end, so it can look, you know, it's gonna look decent. It's taking shape. I'm just glad I got the wheels on, the tires. I get alignment tomorrow. Today is Thursday at the time of this recording. Probably the day you're watching this if you're part of the notification squad. Merch! Please buy merch! But all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new. If you did not like this video, then leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a f. I love each and every single one of y'all. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.